So, ibig sabihin, si shadow technique is only 10% lang po ng pagiging profitability mo. Because the edge na tinuturo, SMC, ICT, lahat yan, only increases your probability but not giving you certainty na yayaman ka at not giving you certainty na ito ang holy grail strategy. Why? If you fully understand, according to the book, if you fully understand this concept, one fundamental truth pa lang yan ha, it will break you free na not to trust the strategy too much. It will break you free na sobrang Superman syndrome na sunod-sunod yung panalo mo at hindi ka na matatalo. It will break you free na magda-doubt ka sa sarili mo kasi yung talo mo sunod-sunod at akala mo yung strategy mo hindi na effective sa ginagawa mo. Nagbi-break yung thoughts na yun kasi random yun yung wins and losses mo. Basta on a context na tama naman yung prosesong ginagawa mo.